Imagine you're driving on a hot afternoon when suddenly your temperature gauge shoots into the red. Steam begins pouring from under your hood. An overheating engine can leave you stranded and lead to expensive repairs. Fortunately, most overheating problems show warning signs before serious damage occurs. Today we'll explain what causes engine overheating, what to do when it happens, and how to prevent it. Your engine normally operates between 90 and 105 degrees Celsius. Coolant absorbs engine heat and carries it to the radiator. If any part fails, heat builds up rapidly. The most common cause is low coolant. Without enough coolant, the engine can't remove heat efficiently. Coolant leaks can occur from hoses, radiators, or the water pump. Small leaks often leave colorful puddles under the vehicle. A stuck thermostat prevents coolant from flowing. The water pump circulates coolant throughout the engine. When it fails, overheating happens quickly. Cooling fans pull air through the radiator at low speeds. If the fan stops, the engine overheats while idling. Dirt and debris block airflow through the radiator. A blown head gasket is one of the most serious overheating problems. It can mix coolant with engine oil. Watch for these warning signs. Steam, coolant leaks, high temperature gauge, reduced power. Turn off the air conditioner immediately. Turn the heater on full. Pull over safely and shut off the engine. Never remove the radiator cap while it's hot. Prevention is simple with regular maintenance.
To avoid major engine damage.
Replace coolant, inspect hoses, and watch the temperature gauge. Engine overheating is one of the easiest major problems to prevent. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and drive safely.